Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A90, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to your device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application. From here, tap on the three bars and navigate to settings. And in here, right at the bottom, you'll find import option. Select your SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card, and they will all be selected assuming they aren't already on your device. If you already have some of those contacts, phone numbers in your phone saved, then whatever corresponding contact here will be basically grayed out and deselected. And obviously, as you just seen, you can also deselect contacts yourself if you don't want all of them. From there, click on import. This will import every selected contact, which from there you can find in your contacts list. And that is how you can import your contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.